Let's take a 5-minute craft break together, shall we? Hello, I'm Claire from Created the Otta Way, and this project here is what we're going to make in today's 5-minute craft break. Yeah, really, 5 minutes. A quick hello to all those in my Crafty Otters Club. Thanks for watching and supporting. Now let's fold, cut and create the Otta Way. So you can see straight away this is going to do something. It's a spinner card. Now there's loads of variations of this on the internet. Just go and have a look if it's something you want to go down the road a bit further with. This is a quick 5 minutes break, so we literally are going to make it in 5 minutes. It's super simple, there's nothing much to it, but oh boy, what a wow. So the first thing we're going to need is a piece of paper. I'm using a standard card size in the UK, so 5 7/8. Oh, that's already done. By 8 2/8. So I'm just going to cut my card to 8 2/8. Okay, now while I've got that there on the longer side, it doesn't look very big, does it? I'm going to score it at 4 1/8. So on the longer side, we're scoring at 4 1/8. And I'm also going to score it in half again. So it sort of makes a Z fold card. So half of 4 1/8 is 2 1/16. This is really easy to adjust to the size that you need it to be. So that is just going to fold over that way, like so, and then fold back again. And that's all it is. It's just that shaped card. But we need to make this circle piece here, and we need to decide what we're going to put in this bit. Now you can use any shape in here as long as it can go back to back and just completely cover it up. So if you've got a heart, you would do the heart. That's symmetrical, so you could put that back to back. You could use a butterfly, anything that's going to match up when you put it both sides, so that when you spin you get a nice spinning action. I've used a baby grow die here. They're from Stampin' Up Cutest Onesies dies. I'm not sure if they're still current, but you get a little baby grow, and then there's some extra little bits which you can see I've designed the card to show off those elements as well. So when you've got it here, just like this, we need to add some paper, and we also need to die cut this circle. So you could punch, and you would just punch out the circle on the fold. That's quite easy to do as long as your paper is not too thick. I really love these circle dies, again from Stampin' Up. They do such gorgeous different detail on the edges. I'm not going to go through them too quickly, but what you do is stop waffling. I'm panicking because there's only 5 minutes. Okay, let's start again. So we're going to put some card on this piece here, not on that piece because it's just not worth it. It's not going to be seen, and we've got 5 minutes. So this is going to be 1/8 of an inch smaller than what that side panel is. So it is 1 15/16 by 5 3/4. Oh, I need a cutting blade to cut that. And then the back panel, I'll cut that at the same time. That needs to be 4 by 5 3/4. So that's going to be cut as well. So that's those two pieces. Now what I'm going to do is stick those on straight away. So one of them is going to go the back piece there. So I'm going to stick that on now. Oh, hopefully my glue. I love doing these 5 minutes. When I'm filming them, I'm like, oh, speed talking, panic crafting. And actually, it doesn't need to be rushed crafting. It's just saying that you can make something amazing even if you've just got a 5-minute tea break to do it on. So that's my back piece. I love this paper. It's a bit of a sheen. It's from my stash. I'm really sorry. I'm on a mission to use everything in my stash. So that's where it's come from. I think it's die cuts with a view paper. It's really old. I mean, honestly, you'd be shocked if I told you how old it is. Oh, I've gone a bit mad with the glue there. What's your oldest bit of paper? Oh my goodness. I don't think I'd like to confess. You know when you've got that paper that you're just like, yeah, I'll use that one day. So now what I need to do is die cut that circle. So I'm not going to show you my die cut machine because you don't need to see that. But you will hear it cranking. So I'm going to line it through my die cutting machine and die cut this circle. So just make sure it's even. We must be on like 4 minutes by now, do you reckon? Okay, so we're not going to need that bit. I can use that for a tag, all sorts of things. But that's my bit done. Okay, I have also pre-die cut the exact same circle and I'm going to stick it on the back there. So that is going to go in there and that just gives my spinner, whatever I decide to be my spinner, a bit of background and helps it stick out on my card. So that's going to go there. Okay, now this bit here, I need some string. Where did I put that string? Here it is. I'm losing the plot. Okay, so I need a bit of string that's just going to go down that crease. And I need some of this double-sided tape. Oh. I need to calm. 5 minutes crafting is a good thing. It's not a stressful thing, Claire. Why are you getting stressed? It's because I'm not timing myself, so I have no idea how long this has taken. I thought, it's fine, I'll be able to do it in 5 minutes. I've even stuck it to the background paper now. Let's cut a bit of that off. Okay, so what I've done is added some double-sided tape to the folded area. Like that. I've gone over a bit, so I'm just going to fold that back in. And then what's going to happen is I'm going to fold this back on itself and hide the string. So where's the bit of string that I cut? Here. So I'm making sure it's on my crease. Just like that. And then I'm going to put some glue all over the rest because I really want it to stay close together. Also putting some on the glue, the string as well. And I'm just going to trim that string because I don't want it to show through. Oh my goodness, it's so stuck I can't get it. There you go. And then, oh, everything is sticking to me now. Well, if nothing else, this video will give you a laugh, won't it? Okay, so now that folds over like so. And to really make sure that it is stuck, I'm just going to go like that. And just press down the front of my card. Okay, let's have a look at that. Ta-da! Right, the baby ghosts that I've chosen are these. So I'm going to stick that one, place it upside down because I want to stick the other one directly on top. And I'm making sure that it's in the middle. Obviously, whichever bit you decide is going to be your spinner, you need to make sure that your circle that you're punching out is big enough for it to spin. Okay, so now I'm just trying to line up these two baby grow suits, and I'm just holding on to them I'm really making sure they're stuck before I do anything else. I'm going to have to film this again because it's so long. Okay. Can you see already it wants to do it? Okay. Let's test it out. Ready? Ooh, look at that. And then all you need to do is add the other pieces to turn it into your very beautiful baby card. Oh, I feel like we've been going for 10 minutes. We probably have, but it is possible to make this beautiful spinner card in just 5 minutes. Give it a go and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.